Hi there, beautiful. My name is Carrie from Makeup Madhouse, and today I'm going to be showing you how to do this beautiful makeup look. We are taking classic Hollywood glam and turning it into a modern makeup. It's perfect for a night out on the town, a red carpet event, or basically any time you want to walk into a room and feel like all eyes are on you. This look features the Brow Bar by Reema Hollywood Icon Face Kit in Drama Queen. I'm obsessed with this palette. It's all in one. It does highlight, contour, powder, eyeshadow, pretty much everything that you need to get this look. I can't wait to see all the beautiful looks you guys come up with the Drama Queen palette. Let's get to it. I am so excited for today's makeup, but first I want to remind you to prep your skin. Make sure it's cleaned, it's moisturized. You want to take care of your skin. I've already prepped my skin, so next I'm going to get into foundation, concealer, and powder. I like to apply my foundation and concealer and blend it out with a beauty blender. After applying foundation and concealer, I'm taking the translucent powder in the Drama Queen kit and setting my face. For brows today, I am using the Brow Bar by Reema Pro Finish Definer Pencil. I start by using the spoolie and combing out my brows, and then I'm taking the pencil and filling in areas that are a little more sparse in my brow. I use light feathery strokes to give it a hair-like texture, and you can really create your own shape and brow that you're looking for with this pencil. We are going to clean up and further define the brows with the Brow Bar by Reema Brow Lift. I go ahead and clean under the brow and then lightly above my brow as well. I take some of the product on my finger and pat it into the skin to blend it out. We are going to map out the eye makeup with the Flawless Eyeliner Gel in Black. I use a thin detail brush to sketch out where I want the makeup to be. I start lightly and go ahead and deepen it up as I go. Once I feel confident in the placement, I deepen the color and blend it onto the lid. Next up, we're using the Drama Queen palette to start adding eyeshadow. I'm using the dark brown shimmery color and adding that into the outer corner and then blending it inward on my eye. Next, I'm using the matte tan color in the palette and covering the rest of my lid. I'm using the contour shade in the palette to go under my eye. This is going to blend nicely with our skin later when we use it for contour. A little tip here is to use the transparent powder and blend that into your skin. Now is the time to use the brow lift or a concealer to clean up any mistakes you might have made when mapping out the makeup. I love the green shimmery shade in the palette, so I'm going to tap a little bit of that onto the center of my lid, and this is going to give us a pop of color. We are going to brighten up the inner corner of the eye by taking the gold shimmery shade and tapping that into the inner corner. Apply your mascara, and then we are on to contour, blush, and highlight. Starting with contour, I like to do a very light, subtle contour, especially when I want to focus the look on the center of my face with the eyes and later on the lips. I'm moving on to blush next, and I do put it on the apple of my cheek, but I also like to move it around some other areas on my face to add some color. We're finishing this up with highlight, and you can see how gorgeous this glow is from the Drama Queen palette. Let's complete the eye look today with some Brow Bar by Reema Diva lashes. You can see the beautiful impact they make and round out the full look. I'm going back in with the eyeliner to extend the lash band to my inner corner. And the final step for our Drama Queen makeup is the True Shine Chrome lipstick in the shade Lust Me. And that is it for today's makeup. Make sure you all stay connected with myself, Makeup Madhouse, on social media, as well as Brow Bar by Reema. Have an amazing day, and I will see you next time.